Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Rosita. Today I am unboxing a package from Temu. This package is a fan. It's one of those ceiling fans that you can put in the bulb socket. This was from Temu. I paid literally $3 for this. Hell, it was one of those deals, and I paid $2.99 for shipping. I got it for a cent actually, and I paid $2.99 for the shipping. That's how I ended up getting this for $3. Let's see. It's pretty banged up. As you can see, this is the condition that I got it in. It's ripped here, took some damage here, it's banged up here, and the box is all scrunched up. I'm hoping that the product inside is a-okay. But for $3, and had I bought more items from the seller, I would have gotten it for pretty much just a cent. Okay, so it comes with this. I'm guessing this is what, if you have a hole in the ceiling where the electricity is connected, you can use this. This is a socket. Oops, I'm doing this with one hand because I'm holding the camera. Okay, hold on. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. I have no idea what's happening here. I assumed wrong. Oh, it's connected like so. This is a thing to adjust it. This is screwed in into the bulb socket, and then this bar is connected to the fan itself. Alright, next, this is the remote. It's pretty decent. It's kind of weighty. The power button, the light option, the fan option, and I guess it has a timer on there. 2 hour, 4 hour, and then the nighttime. I'm guessing these are the wave motions of the fan, and you can dim the light as well. I'm not sure what these are for. I'll see when I test it. Next, moving on, you do get a manual for the remote. Okay, so you have warm light and white light. That's pretty cool because I do prefer the white light as opposed to the warm. Quick switch CCT, I'm not sure what that is for, and you can adjust the brightness of the light. Okay, so you have soft wind, strong wind, and medium wind. Oh, it has a night light option. I'll be testing these out when I connect this to the socket. So this, it's a pretty decent size for a cent. I think these go for like $10 on Temu. I bought this for the bathroom. So, you know, sometimes, especially in the summertime, it does get pretty hot when you're after a shower and you want to get dressed. You can just turn this on. It's not for the other business that you do in the bathroom. So it's a pretty decent size for my bathroom, and it's gray and white. It matches my aesthetic theme in the bathroom, and it does have a little bit of weight to it. So let me see. I'm gonna connect this right now, and then I'm gonna test it. So this goes in here. Goes on there like so. I'm hoping I put this on the right way. Please let me put this on the right way. Did I put it on the right way? I think so. And then you just, okay, on, turn that way. Okay. This is kind of awkward. Okay, so I did the opposite thing and I got it not on. Hang on. Okay guys, so I got it on. I'm gonna tighten this down. You just have to interlock the threads on here, see how they line up, and then twist it and lock it in. So I just did this. I'm gonna test this out in the light socket. Hang on, let me get over there. So that's the light socket. Bear in mind, excuse the mess, the house is still under construction. I'm gonna screw this in. I keep doing things with one hand that I need to be doing with both hands. Hang on guys, let me screw this in. Okay guys, so I screwed it in and you can adjust it up. That's a little bit loose. The thing here, I guess you can tighten it to get it where you want it. But this is a very cute fan. But I'm gonna turn the light switch on. Ooh, there we go. That's the light. I just turned my flash off. So that's it on. I'm gonna turn it back off and test the remote. The fan just came on. The fan just came on. I tried to turn it off and the fan came on. Alright, I'm gonna get the batteries. It does not come with batteries in the remote. So I'm gonna get some batteries in there and then do a full test on it. But this is a really cute fan. Okay, so I'm just using these batteries. It requires 2 AAA batteries. Just using these that came with the ceiling light, some solar lights that I bought. Alright, so let's go test it out with the remote. Okay, so I clicked the light switch on, but I had to turn this off using the power button. So I'm going to turn it on with the power button. That works. Then I'm gonna, what's this, the light? I can turn the light off, which I'm gonna do so you guys can see how the fan operates. So I turn the fan on and it does give a pretty decent amount of breeze. I'm thinking that's on low. Guys, strange things are happening. I'm using the remote and it's messing with that light over there, which has nothing to do with it. Anyway, soft. This is barely on. You can barely feel it. You can get a little bit of breeze, but you can barely feel it. It's just like a cool thing. That's medium. And yeah, workable. And that's it on high. So you only have 3 options with the fan. And the highest option, it does can cool you down. It does work. But it's not like something that you can use for the entire day or whatever. I'm assuming that this would probably burn up pretty fast. What is the M for? Oh, the M is for the light. That's the, you have different shades of light. I think I just saw 3 different shades, or yeah, 3 different shades. That's the warm. That's kind of mid, white and warm. That's kind of like a blue, and that was a white. Put it back on white. 2-hour timer. 2-hour timer is for the light, 4-hour timer is for the light, and that's the night light. But yep, that's it for my $3 fan from Temu. Anyway guys, I just had to unbox this for you guys. There it is. Please ignore the condition of my roof. I'm still under construction. If you want to see those journey, just subscribe to the channel to follow the homesteading journey. Anyway guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.